May gabi, kuyog na to ang mga batang rapper na taga Cebu.
Atri let's go. O kini maong istorya sa Pilipinong uyamo. Tago ang pangutanas kalibutan kadumot. O nga
Kira bata, pwede bata mo ipitado. Dance parikikin sa kita sa lista. Dito mo mag-celebrate. Set pa sa race race. Ang makuhuli ka na pwede salvage. May pamusuritin na lang chika tahan. Hindi mo matahan. O parang katangan. Busa, ayaw paglakad. Kukuhatan.
So we're here with NPA No Pets Allowed. Bay, how did we end up here, bay? Kumusta mag yun sa niyo pagsugod din? Inspire sa mga...
Sa music.
Yeah.
Tripping lang, 2007. Pero way back pa na, 2003.
Hiling na mo. So what do you expect sa inyo karong nabi?
Nawa na lang. Hindi mo basali ka sa ilang mo.
So guys, sa pagkakaroon, tanawa na lang kung ano ilang mga kanta sa YouTube channel. Ano sa inyong YouTube channel?
Rebel Dog.
Rebel Dog. What the gapit sa mga gibo? Enjoy! I really can't see that. So, Car, how did you start? Tell them, how did you start to become like you? Because people would aspire, maganahan sila mahimong ikaw. So, how to be you po?
How to be me? I guess just be yourself. Be abnormal, be weird. Fuck the standards, fuck the rule, and just do you.
So, what made you decide to do this?
What made me decide was, I think it's just a revelation from God because everything that I do outside the art realm makes me feel like I'm depressed or sad. But when I'm doing music or I'm pursuing film and acting, it's when I feel alive the most.
Wow, it's deep, huh? So, what do we expect to you tonight? With you tonight?
Expect a lot of fun, good music, loud music, and a lot of hip hop. I just want to talk to you. Let's play for you. And fuck around in this room. That's all that we do. Just put the fucking phone down. Just put it up now. It doesn't take much time for top speeds a little bit. You must have make it out to get a
So, we're here with Yul, the janitor of Island Vibe. Hola! So yun, so what made you start this event?
Pwede mo Bisaya, right?
Oh, Bisaya. Oh, ano nagkuhan man
It's a simple concept, but I'm a huge fan of local talent and a huge believer in local talent. Like, kung ano wala may asa wala na venue ba? Wala na venue, wala sila katukaran. And I wanna see them. Before I'm an organizer, I'm a fan. So ganahan ako makita nila ba, so might as well, kabalo na mga mga parties sa mga kagi.
Organized parties, yeah.
Might as well, ako na i-promote ang mga idols. So that's how basically it started.
So why of all hip-hop?
First, of course, Island Vibes was brought up as reggae, maginangan ang intro. Because one, I'm a fan of reggae. And now, nibuong naman tong reggae na community. And my roots is hip-hop since back in the days, back in the 90s, man. Tupac and Biggie, nakoy-tape pa, nakaroon, and one na akong first love with hip-hop. That's my first love, and I love to bring back the culture, like, mag-share na ko sa bago nga generation ba, unsa ang scene before, it was a beautiful thing, and I hope now nga, less trouble ang hip-hop, it's all about art and the love of the culture ang i-promote.
So what do we expect for tonight?
I expect good vibes na goodbye, na sa mong house rules dito, bawal bad vibes, bawal maoy, just good vibes and smiles. And that's basically it. No expectations, just be here, man.
And do we expect an Island Vibe ay katulong another?
We're already planning on the third set. It's gonna be twice as big. Mid Nasty and No Pets Allowed on the same night, and three other big names in the hip hop community. So check it out.
So watch out for that, guys. So thanks to Island
And
Vibe.
next year, we're already talking about international bands. So look forward to that. Ako lang, peace lang ta, may gubot, may kuwan na lang, kung mapadayon ta. That's it. all the love for Cebu, the love for the city, and the love for the culture, man. Peace out.
Welcome to Cebu, Island Vibes.
Welcome!
Cebu sing. Let's go! Shit!